What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. All right, now let's jump right into it, man. Y'all see that box? Y'all seen the title, thumbnail, all that good stuff? This is probably one of my favorite, like, collaborations or series of shoes that release every year, or maybe sometimes twice a year. Nike and Doernbecher Hospital, man, they have a collaboration where they let different kids do a different Nike or Jordan model every year. When they let the kids get really creative, man. And I got two of the pairs from this season's collection. Let's check them out. Starting with the box, man, the top of the box says Doernbecher Freestyle, man, the classic DB box. Doernbecher on the side there, Doernbecher on the side here. And the tag on this joint reads Nike Air Max 1 86 DB19. And the color is multicolor. Size 10 women, 8.5 men. Let's check them out. Now, this particular Doernbecher Air Max 1 was done by this young lady, Hailey'S. She's 8 years old, from Clackamas, Oregon. Her diagnosis is congenital cyanotic heart disease, and her shoe is a Nike Air Max 1 86, man. Hailey has had 5 surgeries to fix valves of her heart, so she decided to honor her medical journey with a special heart-inspired shoe. The logo on the tongue and sock liner is an exact replica of her one-of-a-kind heart, while shiny gold accents reflect her sparkly personality. Added bonus, Hailey turned some of her favorite things like ice cream and rainbows into mix and match charms that you can wear on the shoe or as a bracelet, man. Doernbecher always let these kids just show their full personality, tell their whole story throughout this shoe. So let's check this one out, man. Let's see if you like it. Inside of the box has the classic Nike Doernbecher paper, man. You see this pretty much on every Doernbecher release. Let's check out the shoes. Now here we have the Nike Doernbecher Air Max 1 Big Bubble, or 86, man. That's where the Big Bubble came from. They gave her the true OG 86 style that they've been releasing lately, and they let her go crazy with this colorway. But let's check this joint out to see if you like them like I do. I wasn't able to grab my size. The biggest size my store had was a size 12, but still a dope shoe. Let's check out these details. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, this joint comes laced in white leather going across that toe box with pink and red hearts scattered across. Getting to the side of the shoe, man, it does have the young lady's name embroidered in, Hailey, with her one-of-a-kind heart. This is like an exact scan of her heart, and they added it on different parts of the shoe. Getting to the side of this Air Max 1, man, it has the true Air Max 1 style with the pink hits going across. They let her do like a wave pattern going across the midsole in a white and pink colorway. The air bubble is light pink on the inside with gold specks going across the actual bubble. Now, as I mentioned earlier, they do have charm bracelets on the shoe, and one is her heart on this shoe, one is the dog, and one is like a art paint palette, and it has that nice metallic gold swoosh as well, just highlighting her personality as they said on the story. The back of the shoe has the hearts going across as well. Now, getting to the back heel tab area, it has the Nike Air embroidered in a light pink color with a solid gold heart on the top of that as well. Continuing to the inside of the shoe, man, it has the hearts going across the back of there as well. That nice metallic gold swoosh, man, like they said, it highlights her personality. And continues with true Air Max 1 fashion with the white and pink hits. Really nice so far. Now, back to the front of the shoe, man, it does have a gold lace double, and that's a heart shape as well. The laces come in like a pink lace with like white squiggly lines going across the laces. It does have like a satin lace hoop there, and it has her heart stitched on the front on the tongue tag as well. So this is her exact replica heart. And on the insole of the shoe, it has her exact replica heart as well, man. So this is a really personal shoe, as all the Doernbechers usually are, but this one is really personal. They took a scan of her heart, they used the picture, and made it out into this image, and they use it on 3 different parts of this shoe in particular. Now, as I mentioned earlier, they do have that white and pink wave pattern going across the midsole, the light pink translucent outsole with the gold flakes, just like it is on the air bubble of this shoe, man. Super nice details, super dope colorway for the ladies. This is women's sizing, so for the ladies and for the young kids, this is definitely a really nice colorway. And it's a really good shoe overall, man. I can't say that I definitely would wear this joint, but if it had my size, man, I probably would have grabbed my size instead of this one. But it is what it is, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feeling about this joint so far. Now, getting into that left shoe, just the same as the right. Comes in that white leather going across the toe box with hearts scattered across. Has her name embroidered in on the front of the shoe right there. Has the picture of her heart right beside it. White and pink Air Max 1 true fashion going around the side of the shoe. Has another bracelet on this side. One says Hailey, one is an ice cream cone, and one is a rainbow. That nice super duper dope and shiny metallic gold swoosh White and pink going across that midsole, just like I mentioned before. Clear air bubble with the pink on the inside, with the gold flakes going across the air bubble. The back of the shoe has the hearts on both sides. Nike Air embroidered in a light powder pink color, and it has the solid gold heart sitting on top of that Nike Air. Now on the inside of the shoe, man, just the same as the other one. White and pink on the midsole, white and pink going across the upper. Some slight heart hits everywhere. Metallic gold on that swoosh. Getting around to the front of the shoe, same laces, no extra laces on this one. Pink tongue, it does have a heart on this tongue tag as well, and also going across the insole. Now another thing I would like to point out, man, is the front eyelets on each shoe is a heart shape as well, man. You see that right here where the lace holes are, they have a red heart. That's a pretty dope design, a nice touch. And it does have a gold heart lace Doernbecher as well. Now as far as extras, man, this joint comes with 3 extra bracelet charms. One is a heart here, and then the other 2 is a high heel and then a sun. I just let her turn her favorite things into charms. So you can either wear that as a bracelet like they said, you can leave it on the shoe. And they do have holes to hook the charm bracelet on. You can switch out the charms as well, man. Nike let them do their thing, man. That's probably my favorite thing about Doernbecher, is letting these kids tell their full story. A lot of kids shout out their parents, they shout out their teammates. Just different things, man. This one, she made really personal to herself, which I don't have a problem with, bro, but I just love how Nike just lets them have that creative freedom, man. A lot of these kids are designing way better shoes than we see throughout the whole year. They are sometimes kiddish, but they are kids designing these joints, man. And the aspects and the details that they let them add to these shoes is kind of second to none, man. Doernbecher definitely my favorite series. Now, I was able to grab these joints for retail today, man. Houston was one of the lucky places to get the Doernbecher release at our shoe palace, man. So I went this morning. I tried to get the Jordan 3s, but they only got a few in, and the rest of the shipment will be late. So maybe I'll come across those Jordan 3s later. That's the one that I really initially woke up this morning and tried to go grab. Took an L on sneakers, but I was able to come across these in a pair of Dunks as well. Pricing on these joints was 150 bucks. That was 163 out the door with tax here in Texas, man. And as far as resale, man, most sizes are going for like 220 to 250 on the aftermarket. But I can't say that these joints will stay that high. It is a very like niche shoe. It does look good, but it is white and pink. I'm not sure if a lot of people are gonna be paying resale for these like that, so that price may drop and it may be like really affordable for you really soon. But as of today, release day, the price is up there like 250, 240, and around those areas, man. I can expect that to come down to probably about the 180, 160 retail this range, maybe just over retail and eventually below retail. Is it a good shoe? Absolutely. Very detailed. I think the ladies will love this one. The kids are gonna love this one, but I don't think it's gonna do just extremely well on the resale market. But as far as design and as far as Doernbecher and Nike doing their thing with this program, man, this is a dope shoe, but I do just gotta cover the resale, man. That's the real thing around here. Now, as far as quality and quality control on this shoe, man, it's a really nice quality shoe. They use some pretty decent leather on here, especially around the pink sides of the shoe. Some dope embroidery pieces. Some nice gold hits. They added the extras with the gold keychain and bracelets and with the charms for the bracelet. So I can understand that $150 price tag. This is definitely a good shoe. Even if it would have been more like 160, I believe the usual OG Air Max was like 160 if I'm not mistaken, or maybe 140 actually. So I can understand these joints being 150 with all the extras and with the meaning behind them, and then with the Doernbecher Hospital receiving proceeds from this shoe. I can understand the price tag and it's definitely justified. The quality is there, man. No flaws at all on this shoe. No extra glue stains, no missed stitches, no missing pieces or anything like that, bro. So Nike and Doernbecher, man, y'all did y'all thing on these. Shout out young Hailey, man. You killed these joints for sure. The ladies and the kids are gonna love this one, man. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of this Nike Air Max 1 Doernbecher from 2023, man. This is the second set of Doernbechers to release this year. This one is pretty good. It's probably the second best shoe out of the collection behind the Jordan 3 for me. Actually, the third best. I like the ACG shoe a lot. My shoe palace did not get that pair, and I wish they did. I would have grabbed that one for sure, but this is a really good shoe nonetheless, man. Super dope Doernbecher. Like I said earlier, man, definitely one for the ladies, definitely one for the kids, and a good shoe overall, man. This would be a really good Valentine's shoe with all the hearts and things like that, man. Good shoe overall. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. Were you able to cop on sneakers? Were you able to cop locally from like your DTLR or a shoe palace? Just leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints, man. Is it a cop, a drop? Ladies, gentlemen, are you dripping, flipping, skipping? Let me know, just leave your honest opinion down below, man. I like these joints. I probably won't be able to pull them off, but definitely a good shoe overall regardless. But like I said, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Nike Air Max 1 86 Big Bubble, man. The Doernbecher from 2023. Shout out to Hailey, man. Peace.